Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Today my video is about the LG AC remotes. It's the LG split AC remote, and I'll show you how to set the remote on cooling and heating mode. So this is the remote in my hand. You can see this. So there is a button for fan. Everything is written here: comfort, sleep, one touch, software, jet mode. We will discuss this in one by one in every video. So today video is about how to set your AC on the cooling mode and heating mode. So let's start our video. Let's start our remote here. This is the button, power on off button of the remote. You can see this start now. It's set temperature is 18 here, and you can see this showing compressor mode. This is the compressor mode. We can say, I'll show you from near. This is the compressor mode on the cooling mode this time. This button is used for the temperature set increase or decrease. See, if you want decreased temperature, you want 23, 24, 25 degrees Celsius in your room, you can go to 25 degrees Celsius. Or if you want temperature 21 degree, you can decrease it up to 18 degree in this remote. So this is the mode button which we will discuss today. Is important is that button today in this video. This is the mode button. When I press this mode, you can see here it will be changed. When I press this mode, it go to auto. This is on the auto now. It will automatically set the temperature 22 degrees Celsius. If more cold, it will go auto to the heating mode. If more hot, it will go auto to the cooling mode. That's the function of auto. And this is the dry mode. This another one. This one is the heating mode. So our today video is about to discuss the cooling mode. This is the cooling mode. On this mode, your AC is working on the cooling mode. Nowadays it's a summer season, so we need this cooling mode. So how much temperature you can use in for my suggestion, if you run your AC on 22 degree, it's very good. It will not damage your compressor, and it will be work very smoothly, and less consumption of electric power also. You save your electricity also. So if you can use it on the 22 or 23 degree Celsius, no more load on your compressor and on your power system. So better you can use it on 23 or 22 degrees Celsius. So this is the mode button. You can set it from this. This is the compressor. You must put this on the cooling mode. This is your cooling mode symbol. If you don't know about how to operate the remote, you watch this video, you will be understand it very easily. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Like and subscribe my channel for more detailed videos. Thank you very much.